Hey, so I just got these cable ties, and these are a little bit different than like the loop around variety, but if you need these kind, then you'll know exactly what they are and why you need them. So this kind is one that you actually, it doesn't loop around on itself like you know, the typical fastener might do, because there's no slot there. Instead, you have this little slotted cap basically, and what you're going to do is, if you have a car that has like the fabric kind of flapping off or not attached right, you're going to slip this in that little hole back there, and then you're going to put the fabric on next, and then after that you're going to use this fastener, and that'll fasten it down so that it all attaches tightly. If you put it on correctly, then it won't pull off. If you put it on the other way, there's two ways to put it on. One way you can take it off, slip it off, and one way it will not come back off. So just make sure, if you want it to come off, then you do that correctly. See, one way it comes off, the other way does not. But yeah, that's how that works. And then of course you can clip that off wherever you need it to clip off. So yeah, works pretty good. Like I said, it's not the loop around variety, but if you need this kind, then that's how it works.